once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, it would be great if you click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we have dry potatoes, dry fry Indian potatoes with cumin seeds, or aloo jeera, or Jeera Aloo. Really simple. I love this with some like bread, some naan, chapati or something like that. Super easy, healthy, vegetarian, vegan. Let's go and do it right now. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Potatoes, I've peeled them and I've washed them. And I've cut them to kind of pretty much the same size, but irregular shapes. Sliced onions. Here I've got a little bit of bell pepper, green, just to add a little bit of color. Some cilantro or fresh coriander. Fresh chopped chilies. Garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. 3 powders there, equal parts, like a teaspoon each for this amount. Chili powder, cumin powder, and turmeric. And then in there I've got cumin seeds. Cumin seeds obviously going to be a big thing in this. So there's about 3 teaspoons there. We're going to start this off with some oil, and of course we're going to add a touch of salt. So super easy. You need a frying pan or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in here. I'm using a sunflower oil. I mean, there's quite a bit there because we're going to do some kind of French fries or chips or whatever you want to call them. We're going to fry quite a lot. We're heating that up. The first thing we do is we get our cumin seeds in. Now what we want to do, just for a few seconds, is let them do their thing in that hot oil. They're going to infuse and flavour the oil. Then simply what's going to happen is we're going to drop in our potatoes, which are raw. Now if you wanted, you could sort of parboil them to help them on their way. I'm doing these ones completely raw. And we're going to go in, and then we're going to fry them around for about 5 to 6 minutes. I mean, depending on the size that you have cut them. So as you can see, these have browned really nicely and they're starting to soften. If you want it, you can cut them really small, the potatoes. 1, it will cook really fast, and 2, that's really nice with some, like, you know, naan or chapati. Right, next step. We're going in with our onions. I want to get some salt in there now. And we're going with our garlic ginger paste. Now, like I say, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of finely chopped garlic and ginger. If you don't have it, you can make it. We use loads of it all the time here at the channel. Or alternatively, what you can do is just get some fresh garlic, fresh ginger, and chop it as big or small as you like. Okay, we're going to continue on this fairly lively heat for another 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. This is looking wonderful. Next step, I'm going to add these little optional green bell peppers for a bit of colour, chopped fresh green chili, and now we're going to go with those powders, equal parts, teaspoon each for this amount. Chili, turmeric, cumin powder. In they go. And now, again on this heat, let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes, constantly stirring now. We don't want those powders to burn because they'll get very bitter, so just keep it moving and we're pretty much done. Wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat there. I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander. If you want it, a little bit of garam masala powder, just as a little finishing herb or spice is really good. But that is done. I love this, I love this, I love this. I hope you do too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.